What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be adding some lights to my Tacoma back here. If you guys do have like a camper shower or anything like that, you guys do know it does get pretty dark back here. So let's just dive right into it. I'm going to talk a little bit about it and then we're going to show you guys how easy it is to install. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so what I'm going to be showing you guys today is going to be some lights that actually go installed onto my camper. They're not meant for it. These are actually universal, what I have right here, and they're crazy affordable. These things were under $100 for all four corners. Keep this in mind as well. Down the road, I'll make an update video, but I think I'm going to get a different brand called Kingpin. So if you guys do want to try those out, I'd highly recommend that brand because theirs are actually bright. The ones I have here today, I'm just trying them out. So I don't know how bright these things are going to be. I don't know how long these things are going to last. I'm just going to test them out for myself and for you guys if you guys are on a budget and just want to light up your backpack here if you guys do have like a camper like me. In this Amazon package, it did come in this little bag here. You open this bad boy up and it's going to come with a couple lights. It is also going to come with your harnesses that you're going to need to install it. It does come with some zip ties and it does come with a switch here which will allow you to turn it on and off, and these are actually dimmable as well. In the reviews that I did see, everyone complains about this dimmer, so I'm not going to touch too much on that. Once again, this is a crazy budget setup here that I'm going to be doing. It's going to come once again with that button there. It's going to come with an extension harness here. It's going to come with this type of setup if you will have like maybe a battery back here, like say you have a dual battery setup, and then you can go ahead and connect the harness it comes with, which is like a cigarette lighter, and then you connect this to the lights. It comes with all these different type of harness connections. However you want to set yours up, you can do it. I'm just giving you guys the options and show you guys what it comes with. It's also going to come with these like Velcro strips, I'm assuming, so you can set it up here. On my actual camper shell, I don't have a really good way of attaching these straps or even the zip ties. So what I have today is actually some spray from Aspire Auto Accessories. It's a glass cleaner. I should have brought the all-purpose that they make, but that's fine. I'm going to clean off the surface. Reason why is because I actually have some 3M double-sided sticky tape, some scissors, and that's how I'm going to be attaching mine. This side is going to have the connector, and the other side is going to have a connector as well. One is female, one is male, but they're all going to be like this. They are actually covered. I'm going to pull all of these out. And then another thing too that I did want to mention on these, in case you guys did want to go on this budget setup and try them out as well, 2 of these are supposed to be amber, and then 4 of them are supposed to be actually clear or like a white LED. So another thing that I was reading on the reviews is they said that the amber, it kind of sucks because it's not integrated, which I thought it was when I ordered it. So I'm kind of disappointed that it's not integrated in the lights. You have to kind of choose where you're going to want the true amber light to be, and you're going to want to choose where the white lights are going to be. As far as for me, the amber one, I'm probably going to set it up somewhere in the tailgate here, so that way when I'm cooking or if I do have some setup here, as you guys do know, if you guys do go camping a lot, you guys know with bright white lights at nighttime, it does actually attract a lot of bugs and stuff like that. But if you guys do have like an amber or yellowish color light, even I believe red, it'll actually deteriorate the bugs, so they won't go as much to you. I'm not saying it will work 100%. I've just seen it from experience and from other people as well. So I'll probably put the amber one here and then the clear ones all the way around. Down the road, when I get the Kingpin ones, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy some for the camper as well. So when I open up the tent, they'll be lit up as well. And then how to tell which ones are amber and which ones are your clear lights, because there's no indication besides the connectors. Your ambers are going to be the orange connectors, as you can see, and the white ones are going to be black. I'll link it in the description box. So with that being said, I'm just going to put strips of it all along the way. Go ahead and get that started, and then I will get back to you guys. But you guys, so now that we have them all taped up, as you can see, all the double-sided sticky tape is done. We're going to go ahead and start. So my idea, what I want to do is I'm going to put one amber strip here, and then all the way around, I'm going to put the white ones as well. When you want to do it on the budget, we're going to find out and see if it works or not. I'm going to go ahead and, now that I've cleaned off the surface using my Aspire Auto Accessories liquid here with the microfiber towel, now I'm going to go ahead and peel off these pieces here. So you peel off the red, super easy. That peels off just like that. So the way I mounted these was using that 3M tape. I cut it in half and I put each one a strip. I believe they do sell skinnier one, which will probably fit better, but that's just the one that I had. So I'm going to use what I have to save some money. So now that that's exposed, we're going to go ahead and now put it where we want it. So first one is going to go about here. Try to center it as best as possible. I'll apply some pressure. And reason I use 3M double-sided sticky tape, the one that I have specifically is one of their strongest, so it should hold. If it ends up falling, not too worried because I don't plan on keeping these for too long anyway, right? And you are going to notice this one here is probably going to stay hanging like this, so I'm going to put another piece of tape there just to kind of hold it in place. Now that we have this side here, which is the male, we're going to go ahead and grab the dimmer. I thought about something just now. I'm going to actually use the dimmer switch. Hopefully it works because, like I said, a lot of people were complaining that it doesn't, so we'll see if it works for me. I'm actually going to be placing it right about here. So now we're going to get one of the extension cables and we're going to be placing it here. I'm going to go ahead and continue on all the way around and we'll get back to you guys once I have that done. Now that we finished up with the installation, it looks pretty clean in here. I don't know if you can see it right now on the camera, which I'll get you guys closer, but you can't really see any wires exposed, only in certain areas, which I'll show you guys. But now that it's all done, I'm super excited about it. I'm going to go ahead and close all this up and then I'll show you guys with it on and I'll give you some close-ups. Now that I finished up, I'm going to show you guys really quick kind of what I did and how it looks. It looks super clean now. So once again, keep this in mind. These are Amazon lights. So one, I don't know how long they're going to last in the long run. If you guys do want a high quality light, which the install will probably be the same, go ahead and check out Kingpin Equipped. Those are the ones that I'm eventually going to go with. But for now, if you guys are on a budget, check these things out. They're pretty cool. So the way I wired it up is this one here is going to be the amber. And as you can see, everything's kind of hidden. If you're looking at it from here, nobody can really see the wires. Nobody can really see the lights, which I really liked. The wires that do come down from there and there are kind of hidden from the shocks, so that's fine. And then I do have the on and off switch right here, which the way I wired those up, if you see, it's going to be one light right there. There's going to be one light there and one light there. That's how it is right now. So with this switch here, it's actually going to be controlling the white ones inside, because like I was saying earlier, I wanted amber right here. So if I'm cooking, when I'm camping, or just whatever I need to do that I need to open this up when I'm camping at night, I don't want the white light because once again, that attracts a lot of insects. So with the amber being there, I can have that one just on and it'll be good. And now if I'm at home or, you know, at the mall or getting some groceries or something like that, and I want to come back here and I want to turn on the light, then I could by using this switch. So the way this is routed is it starts from there, goes all the way around for the lights, stops there. Now as far as the power source, it's actually on this side. So it's connected here, comes down here, and it's connected to my Jackery. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, which I'll give you guys night shots because you're not going to see it right now at daylight. Alright, you guys, so now that it's nighttime, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So let's turn it on. We'll start with the amber. So there it is. These things are actually pretty bright in person. I underestimated it because of the price. Like I said, who knows how long they're going to last, only because of the price, but they do work pretty good. So the way I hooked it up is I do have the amber light on right now, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and hit the switch to turn on the white lights, and you guys will see they're actually pretty bright. So it's right about here. So let's do it. So that's dimmed, that's brighter, that's brighter, that's brighter, and that's even brighter. So now I'm kind of double thinking of what I said earlier. If these things do last me, I'm just going to leave them alone. I still want to wire some up inside the camper, so when I have it propped open, that will be lit as well, because right now I only have it inside the camper shell, not in the tent itself. So we'll probably add those down the road. There is a connection over here that's left over where I can still run some wire up, so we'll see that down the road. But I'm going to go ahead and dim it to show you guys. It's dimmable, so if that was too bright for you, and then of course off. The amber one is always going to stay on, only because I didn't put the dimmer switch before the power source. I put it after, which I showed you guys that earlier. But there it is. I'll turn these things on one more time just to give you guys a better picture. And that thing is freaking awesome. So if you guys do end up wanting to purchase them, I'll link them in the description box below. Let's get back to the normal video. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.